Albert Einstein, one of the greatest minds in history, revolutionized the world of physics with his theory of relativity and profound insights into the nature of the universe.
Imagination is more important than knowledge. Imagine you have a big box of Legos. Your knowledge tells you how to build things, but your imagination lets you build anything you want, like a spaceship or a castle. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Just like when you ride your bike, if you stop moving, you might fall over. So, keep going and try new things to stay balanced in life.
Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. Being means doing things that help others and make the world a better place. It's not just about being the best, but about making a difference.
The only source of knowledge is experience. You learn a lot by trying things out and seeing what happens. So don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and learn from your adventures. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Yesterday is for learning, today is for living, and tomorrow is for dreaming. And it's okay to ask lots of questions along the way.